and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set risk controls on CopyTrader allocation in eToro. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So on eToro, risk controls for CopyTrader allocation are primarily managed through the Copy Stop Loss CSL feature. So you can simply go to the eToro account. Once you're in the eToro account, you can just set and adjust this at any time, as well as use other risk management techniques like diversification and monitoring the trader's risk score. So to set the copy stop loss, you need to simply have the default setting, typically 5% of your total investment amount, meaning the copy relation will automatically close if you lose 95% of your investment. Now you can also adjust the CSL according to your wish, to set it when starting a copy or to adjust it later. So you can simply be very much mindful about risk management strategies. You need to monitor your risk scores, diversify, monitor copied positions, close individual positions, and you can use the demo account as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.